Guys, what's poppin'? I can't copy that. Anyways, as you probably saw, the last video I showed you, my box. Not sponsored by Adidas. No one sponsors me. Anyway, this is an unboxing video. We're gonna be unboxing this. My new shoes. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Hold on, wait. Whoa, take it. Ooh, look at this. Oh my God. Look at this.
Yeah, so cool.
Bruh. Okay. Time to try on the shoes. Of course, there's this stuff. What the heck is this thing? What is that? Not this shoe. They're both untied. So I'm gonna have to leave you guys like that for a minute. I'll just cut. So we're back. I'm gonna try on these shoes. Of course. I'll also be wearing these to school. So guys see me with these. You know I look fresh, yo.
I got my home socks on.
Those are mine, not yours. Took
Oh,
mine.
they're mine.
No, they're mine.
They're mine.
I'll fight you for them.
Yeah.
You know, your boy got them Adidas. Adidas. Bow. Oh my God, your eyes are green. Your eyes are green in the camera. They were just green. So weird.
Yeah.
Anyways,
Ravioli.
have a good day, whoever you are, wherever you are. And
Ravioli.
ravioli, like a subscribe.
Ravioli.
Ah, God!
Jesus.
Dropped the camera.